City package, guys. Well, I actually have two things that needs unboxing, but today we're just going to focus on this one, and this one will be the next video. We got visors, guys. The other one must be in there. Now it's time to get them all on the car. Let's do it. Look behind your back. Choose a light when the world is getting darker. Okay, so before putting them on, you want to make sure that these part around the door trim right here is clean. You want to make sure it's clean. In my other video I did for my Integra, I used alcohol, but I'm just going to use a soap and water mixed solution. It does the same thing. Alcohol kind of works better, but as long as you get the dirt and grime off, it should be fine. Right here. Spray it up. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out now. As with all visors, they come with 3M tape. Peel this all along the trim. Make sure you place it directly onto the door and it will fit. Alright. Get ready to put it on. Place it. Now just put it on there. Make sure you push along the grooves to make sure it stays tight and that stays on. And then you basically repeat this procedure for the next 3 other sides that I will show you right now. Prep. Sticker. Custom made. Get them up there too, just in case. Peel. Place. Come to think of it, we just did something called the triple P. I like to call prep, peel, place. Prep, peel, place. Prep, peel, place. So you do. Gotta love that sticker. Prep. Just in case you guys don't know how I got this third piece on there, or the last piece on there, just use 3M tape. It's easy. You don't have to drill a hole in the tank or to the trunk just to keep it up. 3M will definitely do the job. get that little side right there, right there. Yeah, yeah, buddy. There goes the prep step. Peel. Place. Yep, just place that shit on there. Place it. Repeat. Prep, peel, place. Prep, peel, place. Prep, peel, place. That's all you gotta remember, just to get the job done, guys. Prep, peel, and replace. No, place. Haha. Let's go make some of that work. Whew. That's about done there. Well, I already took the liberty. Of peeling this, because, well, you guys already get it. You know, prep, peel, place. You guys quite got it down pack, I think. Let's place it on. Place. There you go. Finished product. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Whew. Well, pretty sure you guys know what time it is. I'm out.